New York City, a city of dreams, a city of ambition, a city built upon a foundation of architectural marvels. From the soaring skyscrapers that pierce the clouds to the humble brownstones that line historic streets, the buildings of New York tell a story of innovation, adaptation, and the relentless pursuit of urban living. One of the most captivating aspects of New York's architectural fabric is the sheer variety of its apartment layouts. Each type of dwelling, from the sprawling pre-war classics to the efficient studios of today, reflects the social, economic, and cultural forces that have shaped the city over time. These apartments have housed generations of New Yorkers, from the Gilded Age elites to the waves of immigrants seeking new beginnings. They have borne witness to the city's triumphs and tragedies, its periods of growth, and its times of hardship. In this exploration of New York City's iconic apartment layouts, we delve into the history and evolution of these unique living spaces, uncovering the stories they tell and the enduring legacy they